Hey guys, welcome to the Typescript for Absolute Beginners tutorial series. This series is designed for anyone who wants to learn Typescript from scratch, regardless of their previous programming experience. Whether you are a complete beginner or have some experience with JavaScript, this series will provide you with a solid foundation in Typescript and its core features. Throughout this series, we will cover the basics of Typescript, including variables, data types, functions, classes, and more. We will also explore some of more advanced features of the language, such as interface, decorators, and generic. Each episode will build on the previous one, so be sure to follow along in order to get the most out of the series. By the end of the series, you will have a good understanding of TypeScript and how to use it to build powerful and scalable web applications. So whether you are looking to improve your web development skills or just want to learn a new programming language, join us for TypeScript for Absolute Beginners and start your journey into the exciting world of TypeScript. Let me share with you outline of this course. This course is divided into 10 lectures. Lecture 1 is on Introduction to TypeScript and Setup. In this lecture, we will see what is TypeScript and why we use it. Then we will install Node.js and TypeScript, compile TypeScript to JavaScript, and setting up a basic TypeScript project. In second lecture, we will see basic TypeScript syntax. In this, we will cover variables and data types, type annotations and inference, basic operators and control structures, constants and let versus var. In lecture 3, we will see functions and scope in TypeScript. In this, we will cover defining and calling functions, parameters and arguments, variable scope and lifetime, and then arrow functions. In lecture 4, we will explore arrays, tuples, and enums in TypeScript, which will cover introduction to arrays, working with tuples and enums, and common array functions. In lecture 5, we will see introduction to objects, interfaces, and type alias. In this, we will understand objects and their properties, create and use interfaces, and see optional and read-only properties, and then type alias. In lecture 6, we will explore classes, inheritance, and polymorphism in TypeScript. In this, we will see introduction to classes and objects, constructors and methods, inheritance and polymorphism, and access modifiers like private, protected, and public. In lecture 7, we will see modules and namespaces in TypeScript. In this, we will understand modules and namespaces, import and export modules, and organize our code. In lecture 8, we will explore advanced TypeScript types and its features. In advanced features, we will see union and intersection types, type guards and type narrowing, generics, mapped and conditional types. In lecture 9, we will see introduction to Angular or React. During this lecture, we will see why we use Angular or React. Then we will set up our new Angular or React project. Then we will see its structure and create components using TypeScript with Angular or React. And after these 9 lectures, in lecture 10, we will decide where we want to move forward according to our audience views and feedback.